Hello everybody. Installing aftermarket central locking on old Mercedes. This is G-Wagon W463 early 90s, super old one. Here we having already from fabric central locking system, which only doesn't have any remote, it's only having the key. And yeah, this key is also updated, you know, they used to go broken, so I just folded plate. And I use, this is my old floor parquet, which I just glue here. Anyway, something like this you receive, looks small and nice, and it's most important working. I had to figure out myself with multimeter how and what, but here you have the video, so you can just watch it and install it in like 5 minutes, because gain access there is just remove some clippers, this one, 2 bolts, and you're already there. And here sitting your model exactly in this position here where I'm pointing. You can remove it, or if you have same colors as I do have, then you can just go ahead and connect it. But it's a nice idea to remove it, connect like I did. You see, fast connecting, just to check so everything is working. And this model comes with there is also wires for the lifting mirror, windows, I'm sorry, opening the trunk, and stuff like this. This is ACC, so he gonna like close doors when you start ignition. Those we're not gonna use. Actually, I should show you this one. You can put video on pause and watch. Keep in mind that on those models they can swap colors on the wires. Like you see up there I have black and white, and he's only white, and white black is down there. So, but it doesn't matter, you know. Do pre-connections like I did, and now I'm gonna tell you what and goes where. And this is our negatives, minus, if you want so. Black one is obviously it's minus, and thick and it's black. It's just like power to the unit. Those yellow ones, they have to be attached to relays. So like this one, like shortcutting them to the ground between yellow and white ones. So both of those yellow ones goes to the minus, same as power supply. You see they're connected there. Now I'm gonna do clean install. As I said, I just did like this to check so everything is working. But yeah, when you do clean install, you can connect here or you connect where you want. But best to solder. You see the conditional around here. So water have kind of access here, not really water, but yeah, you got the idea. Red one, there's only one big tick. You understand that it's power supply to the unit, and it goes to the red one also. I also should give you how it sits. You see the second one in under row, when you have relay facing you, is negative, because Mercedes also can use different colors. You know, it depends on what they had access for to the cables for better price. So they did because I saw on different cars different colors. So Mercedes don't believe that those colors gonna be same on your car. Red one is the fourth from the left to the right here. And we only have left the triggers. This one is opening or closing. I already forgot which one it was. And this one opening or closing. Actually, I can see on this one, because how it was now, it was working properly. To lock, white. And it's have to be this one. You remember it's opposite. So black and white. White with black. It was closing. So yeah, this is closing, locking. And this one is unlocking. It also can be red color, brown red here. And this one, yeah, this one used to be always brown and white. So this one is unlocking, this one is locking. But you know, just test fit it like I did. Just be careful so you don't shortcut anything. And then you know for sure that it's working, and you have proper, polarity. So when you press lock, it's locking. If it's opposite, just swap places on them. It's that easy. There's nothing hard. So as you see, we only need 4 cables. 4 cables, 4 connections. Those is all grounds. This one goes to the plus, to the battery, to positive. And then we have only 2 left, and it's our triggers. To close and to open. And as I said, colors doesn't really matter, because as you see, colors here doesn't fit together with this one. So that simple it is. I'm speaking too much, but I hope you really understand. And those brown ones goes to turning signals, to like show you that you really lock or unlock the car. I'm not gonna even connect them. Otherwise you can connect them, drag them all the way down there and connect to the turning signal, or even to the warning light up here. I'm not doing it. I only wanted simple feature of opening and closing doors, because keys are different. This one only fits to the ignition and to the driver door, and the rest of keys is different. This is a standard problem of old Mercedes. Good luck everybody. If you like the video, at least put thumbs up and write a comment to support my channel. Good luck. Have